a box. Brooklinen. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, travel, hauls, shopping, you name it. And I'm so excited for a haul video today. We have a $527 Brooklinen haul. I am so excited for this haul because if you know me, you know that investing in quality bedding, quality towels, quality clothing is huge for me. Some might call me bougie, but I really do believe investing in really good quality things because they last so much longer, and I just learned that firsthand. Matt and I got some subpar quality sheets as well as a quality comforter for our daybed there. And after like 2 years, we're really seeing that the sheets and the comforter, they just haven't lasted very long. They haven't worn very well. And so we figured that Black Friday was the perfect time to do some shopping, and our Brooklinen order finally came in. It is a huge box because we went ham. We got a whole bunch of things for $527. So let's dive into this huge Brooklinen haul and I will show you everything we got. Also, we just recently woke up, so forgive my bare, puffy morning face. Look at this big box though! Look how huge though, you guys. This box is enormous, literally enormous. I'm gonna get a chair here to sit it so that we can do our unboxing together. So first things first, we got this fun Brooklinen tote as a thank you for our order because we spent so much money. So we've got a fun new tote bag. That's item number one. Now we can really get into the haul. Okay, so the real item number one is core sheet set, which is one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and one pillowcase. And we got this in the cream color in the size twin because it is for our twin bed here. Is it a twin or is it a full? No, it's definitely a twin. It's definitely a twin. I'm crossing my fingers now. Is it? No, it's definitely a twin. Okay, as I convince myself that it's definitely a twin. I will find out soon when I go to try to put the sheets on. But this is the core sheet set. And you can see this cream color. It is not totally crisp white. It is an off-white. It's like a gorgeous eggshell kind of a white. I absolutely love this cream color. And what I will say also is we get the classic core. When it comes to Brooklinen, they make a ton of different kinds of materials. They've got like the satin luxe or like the sateen luxe. They've got a whole bunch of different ones. We have found that the classic core is our absolute favorite. So item one is that core sheet set in classic. And again, like I said, it's the one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and one pillowcase, and we got it in the color cream. So this is our new sheet set for the twin bed. So we've got these. Next up in our haul, also for the twin bed, we got a new down comforter. We got the lightweight down comforter. It is hypoallergenic. We also got it in the size twin, and this comforter is incredible. My dad got us the down comforter for our bed. We absolutely love it. It is so good. It is so comfortable. It is the perfect amount of weight. Not too lightweight, not too heavy. We found it to be incredible, and like I said, since the comforter we had for the daybed was kind of cheap and it got really gross from Gouda stepping on it and all that kind of stuff, we realized what makes more sense is for us to get a comforter and a duvet cover so that we can consistently wash the duvet cover, since Gouda really does think that that's his bed. It's for guests, but Gouda tends to sleep on it every single night. And so we realized getting a good down comforter with a duvet cover makes so much more sense, because then we're not having to rewash the comforter itself all the time. We can just rewash the duvet. So we now have a new lightweight down comforter for the daybed. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to make up the bed with these things. Next up, our final item for the daybed is the duvet cover. We got a nice classic. We got the classic duvet cover, obviously in the twin. We got it in the fresh moss color. How good is this color green? You guys, it is a gorgeous mossy green. I am absolutely obsessed. I think this is going to look so freaking good on the daybed. It's gonna look so nice. We have typically had a white comforter on the daybed, and like I said, it just got really gross, really grimy. We're excited to have a darker color because we think it's just gonna look really nice and really sleek, and it's just gonna make more sense given that a dog jumps on that bed and sleeps on that bed a lot. So I cannot wait to put this duvet cover on the bed. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So at the end of this video, I will show you what the new daybed looks like when it's made up with all of its new things. Drum roll. Last but not least, we have one more duvet cover, and it is for us. It is for our king size bed. Because the sale was sailing, like the discounts were really, really good. So we got ourselves another duvet cover. Again, we got the classic, we got it in a sized king, and we got it in the Botanica green. Oh, sorry, botanical green. Is gorgeous. It's like my brand color green. It's like a jadish kind of a green. It's hard to see, I feel like, with this light. There you can get a good sense for it. It's like, here are the two greens together. So you can see this one for the twin bed is much more of like a green. It's a true moss green, whereas the botanical green is more of a blue green. It has a little bit of a blue in it. They're both gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I am so freaking excited to get this on our bed also, because right now we have a very light, like a taupe, kind of grayish duvet cover. I can't wait to put on the green. I don't know if I'll put the green one on our bed, but I'm absolutely putting the green one on the daybed. Like, I'm doing the daybed stuff today, literally today. So, these two duvet covers, the down comforter, and the sheets. This is our $527 Brooklinen haul. I'm so excited about all of these things, because investing in upgrading the setup, the comfort, and the quality of the daybed is just, it was a huge goal of mine to do this year. And then when I saw the Brooklinen sale, I was like, we're doing it now. Because Matt and I have such a comfy, cozy setup in our bedroom, because we use all Brooklinen. We have Brooklinen sheets, the Brooklinen comforter, and the Brooklinen duvet cover. And we felt like the daybed was just a lot lower quality because the sheets were kind of meh, the comforter was kind of meh. So we decided to do a full upgrade so that we feel like both beds we have in the apartment are just as high quality and comfortable and like luxe feeling. So I am so excited that we invested in some more amazing bedding. I absolutely love Brooklinen. It is a dream of mine to one day work with Brooklinen. So yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. What we'll call the tote was a fun bonus item, but let's actually get into the haul.